How to turn off keyboard click sounds on iPhone. So normally if you have not turned it off, what is going to happen is that every time you are going to go ahead and fire keystrokes here, you will be able to hear that keyboard click sounds. The same thing if you are going to delete all of them, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how to disable that one. So let's go ahead and close this one, and we are going to look for the settings. Now here in the settings, what you are going to look for is sounds and haptics. Now, regardless of what iPhone you are using, it's going to be found on the same menu. So from here in Sounds and Haptics, go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see here keyboard clicks. Now, what you are going to do is just toggle it off by clicking it, just like so. And what is going to happen is that even if you are going to type here several times, you will no longer be able to hear that clicking sounds. And yep, that is how you are going to turn off your keyboard click sounds on iPhone.